Hi, this is Tracy Gio with MVP Realty's Gio Group. I'm here today at my newest single-family home listing in Botanica Lakes in Fort Myers. It's a beautiful resort-style community with great amenities, walking distance, the community pool and workout room, and this is the best value for a single-family home in the community. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath at $430,000. So let me give you a quick sneak peek and see what you think. Okay, this is your main living area. It's a nice open layout. Got your eat-in kitchen with breakfast bar and formal dining. As we walk through the living space, you also have a beautiful screened-in lanai with a private yard, and all your lawn care is included in the low monthly fees. This is your king-size master bedroom. Full, huge walk-in closet. You also have beautiful plantation shutters. Nice size master bath with dual vanities, a big soak tub, and a separate walk-in shower. The home is also offered furnished, so you could just move right in. It's in excellent mint condition. So all the way on the other side of the home are the split 2-bedroom guest bedrooms. The first guest bedroom is over here. It's set up currently as an office, but it's a good size and it does have a walk-in closet. Moving right along, you have your dedicated laundry room with utility sink. There's a little linen closet, and we go to your main guest bath. It's got a tub and a tiled shower. And then this is your main guest bedroom. So it's just a lovely space. I mentioned it is also offered furnished, and it is priced to sell. So for wanting to set up a private showing for this home or any others in the area, please call Tracy Gio at 239-292-1499.